Today we're going to test out the Bradco Skidsteer Backhoe Attachment with the Mini Excavator Thumb from MiniExcavatorThumbs.com and see how well they work together. Joe here is going to operate the attachment, show you that it works and is good working order, and then we're going to see how well this heavy duty thumb attachment picks up this steel and puts it in that dumpster next to it. Here we go. And there you have it. That's just one of the many applications you can use a mechanical mini excavator thumb from MiniExcavatorThumbs.com for. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.